Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is time for me to cook something using pickle spices. So we use these spices in a lot of Indian pickles. Like one of the pickles we use it is in mango pickle, which I have here, which my mum made. I haven't made that yet and I haven't shared a recipe with you, maybe this summer. Anyway, stay focused, stay focused. So I am making pickle spiced chickpeas, which are going to be ready in less than half an hour, and it's from my book Chetna's 30-minute Indian. Right, so very simple. Obviously I'm using a few more spices than I usually use, but that's going to add a bit more flavor, so it's all worth it. So first thing, I'm going to just put together the pickle spices. So I have got here 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of nigella seeds or onion seeds, and 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds. And that's the 5 seeds that I am using for this pickle spice mix. And before I start cooking, I'm just going to quickly chop up a couple of onions and a couple of garlic cloves as well. Nice hot pan, sunflower or rapeseed oil, or you can even use mustard oil because that's what we use for making pickles. And I'm going to add the spice seed mix that I've just made. And I'm going to add a couple of dried chilies and let it cook in the oil. Next I'm going to add the onions. This needs to be cooked for at least 7 to 8 minutes. You can't cook this on high or medium heat because you will burn the seeds and then your chickpeas will taste bitter, and then you're going to come to me and say there's something wrong with the recipe, and there's nothing wrong with the recipe. So make sure that this part you cook on low heat. So it's just right golden color. And add in the garlic and just let it kind of cook through for a minute maybe. And once that is got a bit of heat in it, the garlic, that's when I'm going to add 400 grams of tinned chickpeas. Oh sorry, it's it's tomatoes, not chickpeas yet. And once the tomatoes are in, we add the spices straight away. So a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of amchur powder or mango powder, and a teaspoon of sugar. And it's really quite important in this sugar to balance the flavors out. Just going to give it a good mix. Once the spices are in, I have got here 2 400-gram tins of chickpeas, and I'm just going to quickly drain and rinse it and add it straight in the chickpeas. Also going to add 200 ml of boiling water and just a good mix. Look at that, the colors, the smell. This is going to be fantastic. Now I'm going to cover this and cook it for a good 15 minutes on medium heat. Not low heat this time, but medium heat. Time has just gone off and it's been 16 minutes actually, and this curry is ready. That is pickle spiced chickpea curry. Just look at that. You could serve this with some lachha paratha, some normal paratha, some naan. Oh my god, chili garlic naan. That's what you need to serve this with. Oh my god, the whole combination would be amazing. And you know where to find the recipe? I will leave the link in the description below. Oh, right. I'm gonna plate this up. And there, my friends, is the pickle spiced chickpeas ready in 30 minutes. You have no excuses. Um, I know I'm using a few more spices, but then once you've got those spices, you could use it for some of my other recipes. And yeah, that smells really good, which means it's time for me to try some. So, like I said, so good to scoop it up with some bread, like flatbread. Mm. Oh, lovely. There's a slight heat from the red chilies and the chili powder. And as you bite, you will get lots of flavors. A bit of fennel. There is definite fenugreek seed flavor. Oh, it's beautiful. It's so unusual as well. It's so different to my other chickpea curry recipes. I really hope you're going to enjoy this. And written recipe can be found in my book 30-Minute Indian. Don't forget to subscribe. See you again next week. Bye for now.